Hello and welcome to Mudrex. Today we will be showing you how to transfer Ethereum from your Binance Wallet. First, open the Mudrex app and go to Coins and click on Ethereum, where you will have to select Deposit, where you can find your Mudrex Wallet address. Copy this address and head on to the Binance app, where you will have to go to your wallet and click on Withdraw. Now select Ethereum. On the pop-up that comes up, select Send via Crypto Network. On the next page, paste the address copied from the Mudrex app, choose BNB Smart Chain as your network, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and click on Withdraw. Now come back to your Mudrex app and you will find this deposit under Activity in your Mudrex wallet. Click on Details Needed, and on the next screen, you can choose BNB Smart Chain as your network and Binance as your exchange. Next, if you are transferring from a wallet you own, choose Yes and proceed. If not, you will have to provide the wallet owner's address and name. Select the purpose of transferring and click on Save and Verify Deposit. In less than 15 minutes, the transaction will be reflected in your Mudrex wallet and you can keep investing on Mudrex. Thank you for watching this video and happy investing.